No microchips, no smartphones, no Wi-Fi, no streaming, no GPS, your pizza's lost. 5 tech breakthroughs changed everything. Let's break them down. This is NextGen Archives, fast stories behind the tech that shapes our world. Subscribe for more. Texting your friend, getting directions, streaming a movie. It all feels instant. But under the hood, decades of breakthroughs. Each nearly failed, was overlooked, or took decades to matter. In the 1940s, computers filled entire rooms. Then came the integrated circuit, a single chip that could do the work of dozens of vacuum tubes. In 1959, Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce gave us the microchip, and with it Moore's law, doubling power, halving cost. Without microchips, there are no laptops, no smartphones, no AI. It started as ARPANET, a US military experiment in the 1960s. The idea? Let computers talk across long distances using packet switching. The first message ever sent? Just 2 letters. LO before it crashed. Tim Berners-Lee's invention of the World Wide Web turned this hidden infrastructure into the foundation of modern life. The internet was nearly buried under red tape and skepticism. Hollywood actress Hedy Lamarr wasn't just a screen siren, she was a brilliant inventor. In World War II, she co-patented frequency hopping to stop enemies from jamming radio signals. Decades later, that tech laid the groundwork for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wireless everything? It started with Hedy and a piano roll. What began as a Cold War navigation system now powers ride-sharing, food delivery, precision farming, even banking. After a tragic 1983 incident, GPS was opened to civilians. Today, 30-plus GPS satellites orbit Earth, pinpointing you within feet. Your phone knows where you are, thanks to a system built for nuclear submarines. The IBM Simon in 1994 was bulky, but it was the first smartphone. BlackBerry made it addictive. Apple made it iconic. Every breakthrough before this, chips, wireless, GPS, internet, collided in your pocket. Today's phone is a supercomputer, a studio, a bank, a library, and we're just getting started. AI assistants, augmented reality glasses, always-on ambient tech. These are the breakthroughs in motion, and we'll cover them all right here. Which tech breakthrough changed your world the most? Drop a comment. Subscribe to NextGen Archives for fast stories about the tech shaping tomorrow. More nano binges coming right up.